Ciao, Vince. See you soon.
Good day.
Yeah, man.
Good weekend.
I'll see you when I come back. Take it easy. There's my ride. Where's Loretta? I'm just gonna say bye to Loretta. Hey, bro. Oh, she's not here? Okay, well, tell her I said ciao
okay.
for now.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Ah, that's okay. Oh, thanks, Vince. You're the best. That one's heavy. Tá pesado. Hey, whoa. Thank you. Hey, how are you doing, man? Good. Yeah. Thanks, Vince. Okay. Até 2 semanas.
2 semanas?
Yeah, 2 semanas. Vou voltar 14.
Good luck.
Okay. Grazie.
Ciao.
Ciao. Alright, so all checked in. Got through the weighing of the baggage section, which is always a problem for me because I'm bringing camera gear and stuffing the other stuff with gifts and clothes and extras. But yeah, I got through without a hitch this time for once. And I'm not traveling with a board bag either, so made it a hell of a lot easier. So 2 hours to spare now. So we're boarding in about 20 minutes. I'm just doing my best to upload some stuff before I get to the island because I'm really not sure how the internet's gonna be in Negril at the place I'm staying at. So uploading stuff for tomorrow's video and yeah, maybe a couple for next week. And gonna get a coffee and time to roll. So I'm here in Negril. Just got my Digicel phone card topped up. Met a guy on the beach called Rasta Ringo. He's gonna show me some carvings. He's got a spot right on the end of the beach here just before you get into town by the bridge. So he's waving me down right now from down the road. Let's see him.
That's my lifestyle, is the ocean, farming and the wood. Give you a tour of the place, you know?
Excellent.
That's my sign over here.
You've been working hard.
And this is the mini garden, which is the first thing you catch. This is the watermelon.
Ooh.
And we have them cover up like this.
Oh yeah, coming along. What happens if you leave it uncovered? The sun just ruins it?
No, it doesn't fall and you don't want much people to see it's here. And this is the entrance of the kitchen right here.
I see a nice breadfruit right there.
Yes. And over here you got the energy food, which is the almonds.
Oh!
Which is the almonds.
Yes!
We manufacture these almonds and we put them in small bags and big bags. So if the people need energy, that's where they comes.
Is this your tree right here?
Yes, sir.
That's it?
My trees.
That's the almond tree?
Yes, sir. If you look up, see the almonds them there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, is that one bearing all the time or is it seasonal?
Well, it's seasonal sometimes.
Okay.
Over here you have a little of the herbal garden.
Ah, yes. Yeah, this is a very beautiful spot, man.
Over here you got the herbal garden also, along with the pumpkins.
That looks like cocoa leaf almost.
Yes, pumpkin.
Pumpkin leaf, okay.
And that one is, this one is the plum, sugar plum.
Oh, okay.
It has plum on it, and this one is the papaya tree. And over there we got the grape that we make red wine every year. It's beer this year.
Oh, it's really coming in. Man, you got it all right on the beach too.
And here is also my mini garden. Well, we have the fresh aloe vera here, and we got the herb here, and we have the plum here, and we got the tomato trees over there. And
Awesome.
you know that?
This one looks like mint. Spearmint.
Come on in.
Oh wow.
And over here, that's my small gallery.
So you got the big
Right
one out
here,
front,
and
and
up
then
front here we got all kinds of stock of all different pieces of sculptures. All different stuff.
this is like a lifetime of work here.
And here we got the king here. See the king?
Ah, yes.
Yeah, he was smoking his pipe, and it's natural pieces. Yeah.
Excellent.
And back here we got the bongo man. This is the bongo man here. Yeah. And up here you got the fishing rods for the boat.
Yeah.
Fishing rods. Gasoline for the drug here. For the boat, in case people need to go. And down here we got for the wall now. But I
Wow.
have kinds of pieces for the wall all around. Yes, different pieces, different quality. Yeah. Yes, man.
So if you go fishing right now,
Yeah.
I heard, is it crabs in season right now
Yes,
too?
yes.
Yeah. Is it lobster season as well?
Yes.
So if we went fishing, what type of fish would we be going for?
Like kingfish, marlin, tuna, barracuda, bonita, yellowtails, red snappers.
Do you have, do you do spear fishing stuff too?
Yes, sir.
Nice.
And here we have the small garden with different types of pieces. The lion is here, and you got the gecko is there, and a few different pieces. The cow is here, and you know, birds and fish.
Yeah. It's awesome. I see you got your horseshoe
Yes.
right there. I just learned this. I never knew, but it's supposed to be that way up to bring the luck.
Yeah, the energy food.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
Especially when
real
it's grown organic and natural like that.
Fresh, organic.
Wow.
No fertilizer, no chemicals.
And you can see they even look different than the ones you normally get. It's like a different shape almost. It's cool.
It's only one come from the shell. You could try that. Yeah, for energy.
This is the real deal almond grown right on the beach.
Yes.
Wonderful.
You want like this much, or you want more than this?
I'll do a bigger bag than that. Yeah.
Okay.
When it's that good, you got to go a little bigger.
Understand.
Get away from the herb pigeon. You have a problem with animals getting into your garden here? Because that's my problem at home. I always got squirrels, and well, we got raccoons in Toronto, always mashing up our garden.
You live in Toronto?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And how long you are here for?
I got a couple weeks. I'm heading down to Morant Bay area
Okay.
next to see my friends. Pigeon, get away from the ganja. Get out of here. That's not for you. Wow. Actually, it almost seemed like he was more interested in the basil
Yeah.
than the than the
But you
ganja.
know the basil.
Yeah.
You have the basil back home?
Yeah, I grow it at home.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, man, these are the nature food, but it's hard work, lots of work in it.
Yeah.
Only one from the shell. You don't get more than one. What about some good herb?
I'm good for herb. Yeah.
No oil, no hash.
No, I'm good. Thank you. I'm all good.
Do you want to see the back garden?
Sure.
Okay, no problem. Come on. These are the mango from the trees.
Mm.
And back here now we have all kinds of food.
That's a lot of grapes.
Back here we got the cassava.
Mm.
Here We got the cocoa.
Yep.
Yes. We got the pumpkin. We got the sweet potato. Papaya tree.
And those papayas, they're gonna grow way up.
Yes.
Yeah, they'll be as tall as that thing almost.
And then we have all kinds of stem of banana and plantain in the back. See the banana them there?
Yeah.
They are my bananas, you know? My handiwork.
Cool.
See, that's mine also. You see how the stem big? See, look at it.
Yeah.
Huge stem.
Yeah, massive.
And back here I have the yam ground. This is all yams from the ground. Yes.
Now these grapes look different. It's like they're growing off a tree, not a vine?
I make red wine every year from these grapes.
Okay.
Red wine.
Because I've only seen the vine type ones, but these ones are like...
They don't ready yet.
They're a different kind of grape, eh?
It's by next month you get them ready.
Huh. Is there a name for this kind of grape though?
Sea grapes.
Wow. See, I've never even seen that in my life.
There. We make red wine every year from these grapes.
That's awesome.
Rasta way. And these are my chickens.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Come. There's about 20 or more here.
Nice.
They're all over the place.
So will these grapes then turn red when they're ripe?
Yes, sir.
So in about a month's time?
Yeah.
They are bearing all over. Look how high up they go too.
Tons of them.
Wow.
It's the second time I see the tree bear like this. Never been have like this before, so sometimes I look at it and say, oh Ringo, there's a lot of food around.
Yeah. You're gonna have a whole winery open soon.
Come on.
Add that to the carving gallery. Yeah, really interesting.
Sometimes I just come and sit down and get wasted here. So listen, if you want to go fishing, diving, you let me know.
Yeah, I gotta find my friends. I'm gonna try to convince them to come fishing.
I live up in the hill where I live beside the cave, the waterfalls. Huge mountain around me, and I'm in the middle, about 50 people in the village. But it's something else if you see that place. The water coming straight from the mountain and it's crystal clear.
Nice.
Yes.
Very cool.
We bathe, we drink, we have the part we bathe, we have the part we drink, what this coming out of the rocks.
Nice. It's fresh spring
tastes
water.
like ice water.
Yeah, I love that. Straight from the mountain.
Yeah, man. If you want to go for a tour, you let me know. And huge glanza fields.
All right.
Yeah, it's different from these. These are small, mediocre.
This is a little personal.
Yeah.
Still look nice though. All right, Ringo, that's awesome.
One love.
Bless up. Respect.
Man.
Appreciate
Come
it.
anytime.
Will do.
And I'm here.
Cool.
Come in, let's have a beer and chill out.
Nice. I didn't even see my friends yet because they're all staying at a resort. I'm just staying at a little place across the road, more in my budget. But I can put this video on our YouTube channel.
Yeah, man.
Is there a telephone number for you, or is it better just tell people come right here to this spot, come reach you?
I don't like telephone.
Yeah, no problem. That's what I was checking. Cool. So what I'll do is I'll just put the location right on the text part, and I'll be like, anyone comes to Negril, you come check out Ringo. Yes.
Yeah, that's the only place. I am Ringo. Only Ringo here.
All right, Ringo.
Only Ringo has a place here.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man. One love,
Okay, one love. Bless up. Have a good day. I'll get back to you about fishing.
Yes, man.
All right.
I'll wait to see you.
Okay. Hello, sir. How are you? Good. Excellent.
I say Jalo. We should live.
Hey, puppy. So we just met Rasta Culture. He's got some mushroom tea and other kinds of teas. We're gonna go tour his place too. Right, pup? All right, go on.
I'm going over there, man. I'm going over there. I want to get it good and nice.
I say Jalo. We should live.
The security fence has been breached.
Oh, you just do it like this, eh?
Easy.
Come back to where I put it. I have many more.
What's this one called?
This one?
Yeah.
It's a purple skunk.
Ah.
You can see million and everything.
Wow, it already smells really nice. Beautiful. This can grow everywhere.
With a piece of stick and tight on it.
Yeah, it's getting pretty big, yeah?
Big, yeah.
You're getting enough.
Yeah, more coming down.
You're getting wind, nice.
When these balls get big, it's gonna come down. Put a stick tight and let don't go.
That grows pretty good in the sand, yeah? That's wild. I mean, I always usually see it in soil, but just straight up in the sand like that.
It's good strain, you know. Good strain grow anywhere.
Yeah, it grows tough, grows easy.
A couple more tree more than this.
I'm just getting out of the rain for a minute. Probably gonna go for a little swim. Anyhow, I got these peanuts from the market, and as soon as I bit into them, I thought, why do these taste so weird? And I realized that it's because they're fresh peanuts. They're not the roasted, salted kind like I've had my entire life. They taste way chewier, a little bit more juice in them, but they're really good. I was just so not expecting that kind of taste. So first time for me, fresh peanuts. Who knew?
I'm like a boat in the ocean. Ice in my sea. When I say the love of the Almighty, so heavy cannot we scale. Cannot be bought, wholesale or retail. Almighty Judge, I love got to prevail. Cannot be bought, wholesale or retail.
So I've been chilling pretty much all afternoon. Had some fried chicken, and rice, and plantain, and the sun's going down. I'm just gonna take a couple shots with the drone, try out these filters I got, and then the plan is probably to head up the road and join some friends for some drinks up that way. They're staying at a resort. Anyway, I hope this drone shot turns out. The sun is kind of hidden behind clouds, but it did stop raining. It was raining pretty heavy about half an hour ago, so maybe we'll get lucky with some shots.